MultiversX is as cheap as it has been in a long time, but is it worth getting in now, or will we see even lower prices? In this video, I will talk about MultiversX and share my price prediction for both the long term and the short term. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. There I share daily updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. MultiversX is currently ranked 84th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 770 million. The coin has been around since 2020, and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after the last autumn high, we saw this massive bearish crash. From the top to the bottom, we fell over 96%. And only when we fell into this order block, where we saw bullish impulses in 2021, did we get a bullish impulse, support found. And after this last low, we saw this massive rise, and we even broke this last supply zone to the upside and had a weekly body close above this last high. That means that was really the first bullish impulse of this year, and after this resistance in these highs, we got a massive rejection to the downside. And we are now back in this range for the first time, where we formed this low last time, which led to higher highs. That means the chance is extremely high that we'll now see bullish price action and separate from this zone here. Because as mentioned, we have pulled up from this low to this high, and as long as we form a higher low and then see price action to the upside, there's a high chance we'll follow the bullish trend as well. That means I think right now is a very good zone to take up long-term spot positions as well as short-term trails to build. That means if we see bullish price action now, the chance is high that we will see rising prices and then reach this next interesting supply zone. And if we then break this last supply zone to the upside and these last highs, then the chance is extremely high that we will see an explosion from MultiversX and then on the way up. These purple highs as interesting price targets up to the all-time high. That means from the current prices to the next price target, we would even have a potential of over 600%. And up to the all-time high, we would have potential for almost 1800%, and I think that is very good potential for a large coin like Multiverse. Because like I said, we are in 84th place among all cryptocurrencies, and we are already fighting a brand, about $800 million. That means we have extremely high potential for this coin, and in the short term, it is important, as mentioned, that bullish price action can be seen if we get this and break out of this low with massive momentum. Then I think the next price target is this range. Because we have been in this range for a longer time and have not seen any real price action, we have built up liquidity on both the upper and lower sides and then broke out to the downside. And if we break upwards again now, the chance is high that we will first linger in this sideways phase. If we then break up towards the top here, then the chance is extremely high that we will see further rising prices and first come into this supply zone. And if you don't want to miss any of my trades, join my exclusive Signal group. There you will get all my trades in real time and also my crypto spot purchases. So to summarize, we are currently back in this very interesting zone with MultiversX. Here, interesting long entries are available for both the long term and the short term. But as mentioned, if we leave this area and see lower prices and find acceptance below here, the chances are high that we will just definitely see lower prices. As long as we don't break below this zone and not climb up here and find acceptance, the chances are high that we can continue the bullish trend to the upside. Alright folks, thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck with trading and see you in the next video.